Kitchen cabinet repaint project. On-site work finished in 3 days. A week later, cabinets, doors, and drawers finished both sides and cured. Installed. Here is a close-up of a door before the project started. The owners were concerned if this could be salvaged or if it needed to be replaced. This is a high traffic door. It's by the stove, it's by the sink, it's worn through the clear coat. Same thing with the very bottom of the door. Here are the results after our prep work. Sanding to sound substrate, primers, top coats. It looks almost brand new. Owners are ecstatic. Kitchen cabinet repaint. 20-year natural wood finish. Updated with off-white enamel. Image of our prep work, site protection. We cover all walls and ceilings. Primer stages. Priming and sanding between coats. Finished image. Before the job started, close-ups of some of the cabinets, and here are the finished product. This is a damaged cabinet door that we caulked and repaired and were able to salvage. Close-up of damage and the same substrate finished. Walkthrough video of the completed kitchen cabinet. On this project, we kept the same hardware, removed the poles, installed the same poles. Primer, sand, fill, spot prime, 2 top coats. You're seeing an open glass cabinet. We paint the insides of those.